Welcome, today in front of me CUBOT R19, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add with the widget. I'll go in with the new one to show you how you can do that. And now just hold for a while your screen with a finger, and here you'll see the widgets icon top there, and as can you see, here we got all the available applications with which widgets you can add on your screen. For example, we can go with the analog clock. Just hold for a while this clock and drag it to the position. So as can you see, we can move this widget here on the screen and also between the screens. By the same way, we can create the new screen. And now just we'll stay, for example, with this widget. You can change the size of the widget. You can make it more bigger or smaller, as can you see. And for example, we'll add here one more widget. For example, we can go with the calendar shadow. Just hold for a while and drag it here. Also, by like the first one, you can change the size of the widget. You can move it here between the screens to create the new screens, and if you want, you sure can remove the widget just by the same way. Hold for a while and drag it here up to the remove icon, and that's how it looks. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.